Everybody, today I will guide you how to use the MapView in iOS using Switch 3. In the first step, you have to create a new eco project, a single view app, and then we call this MapView. So, click the button, create. Go to Manage Storyboard, you can see the view controller and you can find the MapView. So I will display the full screen and uncheck the contrast to marking. And if you go to so the next step you have to reference the UI to the view controller that will manage stick control. I will call its name is MapView. The MapView is then from MK MapView. You have to import map kick here, and you have to define the MapView. MK MapView that you can touch, you can click into the map. So now in this MapView, I want to display the region arbitrarily and its radius is 1000 meters. So now I will go to the Google Map and I find the current position. What I go to map.google.com and here so is Nyakchima Street district I am living in. So I have the longitude and latitude in here. So I have this number I will copy here. So I have to create the init location, and it is then from the serial location, and I have to latitude. I part this space into here, and the longitude is here. Copy and add it here. So I have to create the radius from its location. So equals the center point, and it is radius of the one circle versus now a rectangle. If we extend the CL location distance, it is called CL location distance, and I will define it 1 kilometer, and it equal to 1000 meter. So now what I have a fountain and center the map, and what location it will extend the CL location, and what we go to now, I have a coordinate and it will from the MK coordinate region with distance. I have the center point and the radius, so I have to call it the MK coordinate region with maze distance. So you have center coordinates parameter represent them from zero location coordinate to dimension. I have the location dot coordinate and the latitude zero location distance. I have the gradient, my gradient. Just have the gradient perfect truth, and I have the gradient Yeah. I want to write this 2 times. So this map stock MapView stock. So I set this region. Set this region. Set this region. You can see the parameter region. It stands from MK coordinate region and element is E in the bottom. The region I have the coordinate and element is the book to for when I define a function inside the view law, so I will call it into the sender maps location. I will put the init location inside the sender map init location. So here I will run this for you. I hope it works properly. You can see here for the first time until now I just using the MK MapView delegate. See, I will make an example that for you to how to search. I don't know where the iPhone 7 Plus in iOS 7.0 is too slowly. When I build in the real device, it's very cool, very bad. So, waiting. It may be the near the same, this street, so you can, street. A little bit same. So, Nyakchi my street, yes, it's cool, it's very cool. So it worked properly. So now, you can see in the map you have the annotation in the web of the map.google.com. So now I want to create the annotation in this iOS. What I have to do right now? Now it is the time for the MK MapView delegates sort. And now I have the annotation. You have to add the getter. Wanna add more annotation inside into the MapView. Have to add modify and add annotation. First you have to select annotation by the MK point annotation. Yeah. So I have to create the annotation dot coordinate. It will the same of init location dot coordinate. So we to review the init location. Okay. So I have the title for this title. Living here annotation. I want to set it subtitle. Subtitle G point. So now I have to map view dot add annotation. Yeah, I have an annotation from the M key annotation. So I will add it into the annotation. So I will run it again. I hope it works properly, and maybe I expect it will be better for Then the first time, take a further style. Yeah, you can see the another thing is displacing in here and put the map view into slowly. Into slowly. Okay, now I want it shows me the title and the subtitle here. Please show me, baby. Yeah, Tom is living here, so it's good, very good. So now I want to whenever I touch inside the map, yeah, map. Whenever I touch inside the map, it will show me the annotation here. So what I have to do right now? I have to create a function and it will extend from each parameter will extend from UI type getter recognizer. I have to go to the function uh, start, and I have the getter and it will UI getter recognizer but it will type UI type getter recognize, yeah, here. So what's next? You have to create or define the third point, let third point in here and getter talk what you getter is it came from UI type getter recognizer, so this getter will contain the location. So I will find the location, yeah, it's here. The location, so location in what, in which, in MapView cell dot MapView. So the next you have to create a new coordinate. Call of the coordinate will be different most than the old coordinate. It will be changed anytime whenever you click into the map. So I have to that new call CL location coordinate to the your location, yeah, and have what latitude and longitude. Latitude what? I have to create the latitude and longitude, but now what is because the latitude and the longitude is not it haven't yet converted into the the the, the coordinate, the traditional coordinate. So I have new code. We turn the CL location coordinate 2D and it comes from the MapView. The convert what? Look, so it will be the true parameter. The coordinate will turn from 0 location coordinate 2D. So I have this third point, and so I have 2.2 coordinate. No, what I want to be coordinate no 2.2, so I have find and convert 2.2 to convert coordinate to coordinate from UI view and it is CL location coordinate 2D, so it will be the right function. So I have the third point and to coordinate from I have the cell dot MapView. So MapView. So the next I have to do what? Let's annotation. Annotation. I will it from MP point annotation, and I have anno doc title new position anno doc subtitle new sub. And what's the anno is more? Anno is the coordinate by what? New coordinate. Yeah. And you have to add it into the map view and annotation. Yeah, and here anno. So but when you finish creation the action tab to the map view, what you do next is define this map view will do the action tab. So I have create and define even for the view. So I have the let's getter let UI top getter recognizer. And what is the function is targets and action. Target is the show and action. What the action have the select rule action type active. Yeah, active. Why I want to phrase because if we convert to objective-C, so I have objective. Yeah. Okay, it will be good. So you have to add it inside the MapView dot add getter. Yeah, it here. I have the getter here. So what I have to do right now, I have to reason this project for group. How to simulate the rent, and I will solve the annotation and renew. This annotation is every reason for the song is living here, and the subtitle is Nhóc Chi Mai. So I will click in here in nearer the bot engineering APV Vietnam. APV Vietnam. So I click and I haven't clicked. So I click now. Wait for about 10 or 15 seconds for it will display into the stream. Yeah, it display. I have the new position, the new sub, so it will probably 10 for watching.